Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, let me introduce myself. My name is Wanda Vivian Andreans, NPM 2441105H from class MNG 24C. We are here today to explore the integral relationship between law and the commercial world in today's highly regulated environment. Viewing law merely as an obstacle is short-sighted. Law is in reality the stable, predictable foundation that allows sophisticated business transaction to occur. Our focus is on understanding the legal framework to strategically mitigate risks and foster secure growth. The foundation, search and division of law. To understand business law, we must first recognize its origin and structure. Search of law. Where do the rules come from? Statutory law. Legislation. Law enacted by a legislative body. This is the most common source in commercial regulation. Case law. Common law. Rules established by judicial decision. The doctrines of trust decisions. This stage that courts must follow prior rulings, ensuring consistency. Constitutional law, the fundamental law defining governmental powers and basic rights, which supersedes all other laws. Legal divisions. Public law involves the stage. Private law involves disputes or relationship between private parties. X. Contract law. Third law. Business law. Business law is primarily private law. Substantive versus procedural law. Substantive defines rights and duties, while procedural defines the steps to enforce those rights. 3. The pillar of commercial transactions. Contract law, the engine of exchange. Formation essential. A legally binding contract requires over acceptance consideration the legal bargain and capacity, the ability of the parties to enter the contract. Remedies for breach. The primary goal is usually to award monetary damage to compensate the injured party in rare case. Next, corporate law and limited liability. The entity choice, selection the correct business from corporation partnership is crucial as it determines liability and taxation. Limited liability protection. The critical feature shield the personal asset of owners from the company's debts. This is the cornerstone of modern corporate finance. Fiduciary duties directs directors and officers have a legal and ethical obligation to act in the best interest of the corporation. Specifically, the duty of loyalty, no self-dealing, and the duty of care acting prudently. IP and asset protection. Protecting intangibles, modern business rely on patents, trademarks, and copyrights. A proactive IP strategy is essential not just for defense, but for monetizing asset through licensing, tort law, and product liability. Negligence, a failure to exercise reasonable care that causes foreseeable harm. Product liability, a specialist area of tort law. Manufacturer can be held liable for injuries caused by defective product, often under a strict liability standard, meaning the plaintiff does not need to prove negligence, only that the product was defective and caused harm. 4. Operational and global compliance. Employment law and misclassification risk. Workforce regulation. This covers everything from minimum wage to anti-discrimination laws. The employee versus independent contractor test. Misclassifying a worker is a legal risk. Authorities scrutinize the degree of control the employer has over the work's time, method, and tools, as well as the permanency of the relationship. Data privacy law. A new frontier law like the GDPR, General Data Protection Regulation, and similar national status impose severe penalties for mishandling personal data. Key recruitments. Companies must provide notice, obtain consent, and ensure the security of consumer data, especially if they handle international transfers of information. Dispute resolution and ADR. Litigation versus ADR. Litigation is public, costly, and time-consuming. ADR prefers arbitration, pending decision by a third party, and mediation are preferred for maintaining confidentiality and efficiency. Global commerce and ethics. Extraterritorial reach anti-corruption law, like the FCPA and competition law, often apply globally, meaning your local conduct has international legal consequences. Ethics and compliance. A strong ethical culture and effective compliance programs are the best defense against corporate crime and regulatory fines. Law as a strategic tool. In summary, the legal environment is not a static list of terms, but a dynamic map for strategic business conduct. By proactively causing the right entity drafting legally sound contract, protecting your IP, and adhering to global and operational compliance standards, you minimize exports and maximum investor confidence. Mastering business law transforms it from a liability into a sustainable competitive advantage. Okay, next, the power of legal understanding. We've covered a lot of ground today, moving from the foundation search of law to complex global compliance issues. The central message remains: this law is not an obstacle. It is the ultimate tool for strategic risk management and secure business growth. Ignoring the legal framework is simply inviting catastrophic failure. Instead, we must embrace it as the stable infrastructure upon which all success is built. Recap of strategy pillars. Let's quickly recap the 4 pillars that every business leader must master. 1. Contract law. This is the engine must ensure your agreement have clear over acceptance and consideration to make them legally enforceable. Strong contract minimum litigation risk. Corporate law. This is the salt causing the correct entity, corporation or LCC, provides the critical feature of limited liability, protecting your personal wealth. You must also ensure that officers comply with their strict fiduciary duties. Intellectual property or IP. This is the asset in the modern economy. Your patents, trademarks, and copyright are your most valuable possession. Next, tort law. This is the safety net. You must understand negligence and product liability standards to prevent civil wrong that cause injury or financial loss to others. Beyond these pillars, 2 operational areas demand constant attention. Compliance. You must be rigorous in your employment law practice, avoiding misclassification, and proactive in data privacy like GDPR, where penalties for error are severe. Dispute resolution. Always for alternative dispute resolution or ADR. Specifically, arbitration over litigation for its confidentiality, speed, and cost effectiveness. Including the difference between a fleeting venture and an enduring enterprise often lies in its legal strategy. By applying a robust, ethical, and proactive legal framework, you don't just stay out of trouble, you build a trustworthy, reliable platform that attracts investors, secures partners, and ultimately guarantees a strong position in the marketplace. Thank you everyone for your attention. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.